Hi, today we're going to show you just how easy it is to raise an online quote through instrowest.com.au. Firstly, point your browser to instrowest.com.au. Here you'll find plenty of helpful information on Instrowest, including our services that we provide and our contact us details. But today we're going to raise a quote, so we're going to go to the store. The application we wish to create a quote for is for a differential pressure transmitter across a filter on a gas line, so we're going to select pressure measurement. We're going to attempt to complete our whole installation quotation right here in one easy location. So we're going to select differential pressure transmitter. As you can see, there's multiple options to choose from. Today we're going to select the 0 to 5 kPa differential pressure transmitter from Yokogawa. We can view our wetted material parts, technical specifications, ranges and everything on this page. So we can see here 0 to 5 kPa and it's within our maximum working pressure. We can also view that it's IECX intrinsically safe, so it suits the application. If we want to view more details on this transmitter, we can open the PDF for the data sheet or we can watch a video. So we'll add this to our quotation. We're also going to need other products to complete this installation. So let's get started there. We can view here our associated products. You can see here we've got 4 choices of manifold. We're going to select the 5-valve manifold. We're also going to scroll down. We're going to need a plug for the extra conduit thread in this transmitter, so we'll add that to the quote. We're going to want this transmitter to come to site, configured, ready to go, and with a calibration certificate, so we'll add these to the quotation as well. This transmitter is going to be stored outside in the sun, so let's get a sunshade. If you wanted a tag number fitted, you can also select that here as well. So we're also going to need an instrument stand. Fit this too in the field. So let's do a search for the instrument stand. As you can see, we've got a few options to choose from. We're going to want a double instrument stand. So let's add this to our quote. Now we can go back and review our quote. And there you have it. Now, as I said earlier, this is going to be in a hazardous area, so this sunshade's probably not the best choice. So let's swap that one out for a hazardous area sunshade. If we click on it, you'll see that it takes us to this page. We scroll down, and under related products are similar items. So you can see here we have the type 125N anti-static sunshade. So we'll read some more on that and we'll add that to our quote. As you can see there, it's suitable to our application. So we'll add this to our quotation. Now what else are we going to need for this installation? We're going to need some tubing, we're going to need some process connections, some swage lock fittings. So let's add those. We'll go back to our store. As you can see here, we've got a shortcut for all the different categories. So let's go process connections. We're going to want some process connections, so we'll click in there. We're going to want stainless steel tube and compression fittings, and we'll go some swage lock compression fittings. Now I know that instrument manifold has 1/2 inch MPT threads, so we'll select some imperial connectors. I'm going to want 3/8 tube to 1/2 inch, so let's go down and see what we've got. Here we have swage lock straight male connector, 3/8 inch tube to 1/2 inch male MPT. So this is what we require. I also know that the process has 1/2 inch tapping points. So what we're going to do is we're going to select 4 of those. And we'll add those to the quote. Now we're going to need some tube for this application as well. So if we click in here, we should be able to find the associated tube linked to this product. And there we have it. It comes in a 6 metre length, which is more than enough for what I require. So we'll add that to our quote. Now, as I said earlier, this is going on a gas line, so we'll select the right thread tape for it as well. Now there you have it. It's just time to review the quote and see what else we can do. So if we click up here in quotation, we'll be able to fully review our quote. You can see here we've got our transmitter and all the associated parts we require. But you'll also notice that we've got 2 sunshades now because we selected the anti-static one. So let's remove this one from our list. There you have it. Now we can see the price of this complete installation below. But let's say you want to save some money. Well, one area I know we can save some money is we might want to downgrade this transmitter to a cheaper transmitter. So what we can do is we can click in here and go see the related products to this. If we scroll down to our related products, we'll see we've got a Siemens DS3 transmitter. Now it's a lot cheaper, so let's go and have a look and see if that's applicable. Again, we can review our technical specifications on this transmitter and see that it suits. We can also click on the PDF or the video, but I know this suits my application, so I'm going to add it to the quotation. We'll go back and we'll review our quote. We'll remove the old Yokogawa. And we'll now see we've got a complete instrument list ready to go for this installation. I've automatically configured my shipping. Shipping's calculated here. If you don't want shipping, you want to be picked up, you can organise pickup. Or if you want to organise your own delivery, you can do that as well. But we've got shipping and our postcode, and we've calculated the shipping charge. So let's get a quotation. In here, we enter our details. Our phone number, company name, our state, and our site. We can also enter an email address if we want to send this to someone for quotation approval, so they can raise a purchase order or just purchase on their credit card. So we'll send this to our admin department. And we'll submit the quote request. And there you have it. In less than 10 minutes, we've got a full quote. And there it is. So let's click in here. As you can see, it's addressed to me. It's got the quote number and everything we entered. So let's view that quote. And there you have it. So if your supervisor gets this, or if you want to check this, you can click on any of these items, any of these hyperlinks to see what it is. So your supervisor may say, well, what are we ordering here? Let's have a look. Well, I don't know what this instrument manifold is, so let's go have a look. And he can click on here, and sure enough, he can view the item. We'll go back to our email. Now, you might not have an account with Instrowest. That's okay. You can get your supervisor or purchasing department to purchase this directly online themselves by clicking our Buy Online button to make an online order. And now all our quote has been pushed across to our cart, so we can order directly from our cart. Scroll down. If you want to continue shopping, you can go shopping. If you want to proceed to checkout, simply click Proceed to Checkout. Okay, now we're ready to check out. If you're a registered user, you can enter your email address and password and check out that way. Otherwise, we can check out as a guest. Simply enter all your details. And we can choose to ship to this address or ship to a different address. Here we put in our shipping method. Okay, so at the moment it says pickup. If you want it delivered, you can add that in there. We can add our delivery dates, and you can put in some comments, but I'll leave this as pickup. For payment, we use a secure gateway through Australia Post. You can pay either via credit card or by PayPal. Once you finish this step, you'll be asked to review and finalise your order. And that's it. That's as easy as it is. Once you complete your order, you'll be sent an email such as this that confirms everything that you've put in. That's it, and thank you for watching. Should you need any help or assistance, please don't hesitate to give us a call or email us directly. Our details can be found on our website, www.instrowest.com.au.